Starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are safe and sound and under the special bless of Allah. It is also hoped that you have done all the homeworks, you have attempted the SVT that was given to you, and you are also making yourself ready and preparing for the upcoming off-school monthly test. Clear? Dear students, in the previous lecture we stopped while discussing question number 3 of unit Technology in Everyday Life. Let us move towards question number 4. Clear? You need to write it neatly in your neat notebooks, complete all the requirements, do proper presentation. Let us discuss question number 4. What is the importance of technology in agriculture? See the mind map. Importance of technology in agriculture. ज़राअत में टेक्नोलॉजी की क्या अहमियत है? Clear? Benefits of agricultural biotechnology. Plantation is possible in every place. Survival of plants in drought condition means खुश्कसाली के दौर में के वक्त में. Survival of plants in drought condition. Benefits of modern machines. जब जदीद मशीनी आलात जो है, तकनीकी आलात जो है, तो उसके क्या फायदे हैं? What are its benefits? Clear? We are going to discuss these points in the answer. Please draw the mind map properly, do its proper practice, and go for simple designs and simple patterns for the mind map. Clear? Technology has been of great use in developing the agricultural industry in various ways. Developing इसको आगे ले जाने में. Clear? They are the following. Today, it is possible to grow crops in a desert by use of agricultural biotechnology. Clear? ज़राई बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से अब सहरा में भी क्या किए जा सकते हैं? You can plant different trees or crops. Clear? Especially crops. Now it is possible to determine to grow various plants according to conducive climate conditions. अब definitely जो कि मौसमी हालात होंगे तो उसी के according now we are able to plant different crops. Clear? Or plants. Part number 3. Plants have been engineered to survive in drought conditions. To survive means बका के लिए, ताकि वो बका कर सके, means to survive, to live. Clear? Barren lands are now cultivable. अब जो बंजर ज़मीनें थी तो that are also cultivable. Clear? After that, point number 5. Modern machines are used to till and plane the soil and irrigate the land. हल चलाने के लिए भी, हम मार करने के लिए भी मॉडर्न मशीन्स जो हैं तो इस्तेमाल होते हैं. Clear? And then hope you all are getting it. Plants, seeds and fruit can be protected from both pests and weeds by the use of modern technologies. Plants, seeds and fruit can be protected from both pests and weeds. Means ये जो insects होते हैं that are not good for crops, सही है, तो इनसे भी बचाए जा सकते हैं modern technologies के जरिए. Means modern technologies को use करते हुए इनको by making them applicable for its benefit. Clear? After that, question number 5. Let's move towards question number 5. And that is, how is technology being used to generate cheap electricity? किस तरह से सस्ती बिजली हम पैदा कर सकते हैं by using technology. सस्ती भी and as well as that is accessible to all the people easily. Clear? Available to all the people easily and accessible for the people. Clear? Generating cheap electricity. Effects of natural forces. Building of large dams. Generating of electricity from water. Wind and solar energies. Wind and solar energies. Clear? Come towards its answer. First of all, the most important, you need to write it neatly in your neat notebooks. You're supposed to go through all these questions again and again. If you have any confusion, go through these lectures again and again and do ask us. Clear? Natural forces like flood and fire affect and disrupt human life. Disrupt खलल डालते हैं, disturb करते हैं. Clear? To disturb. Affect मुतासिर करते हैं. Natural forces like flood and fire affect and disrupt human life and daily economic activities to a great extent. एक बहुत बड़े एक आला दर्जे तक सही है, काफी हद तक जो है तो ये क्या करते हैं, ह्यूमन लाइफ को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. बट मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी हैज enabled the humans to build large dams which can harbor excess water. Harbor means jama karna. Which can harbor excess water and use that water to generate, पैदा करने के लिए, to generate infinitive cheap electricity. And ejective over here, cheap. Clear? Fire is also used for heating and industrial material process. Means so many industrial materials are made with the help of heat. Clear? Wind and solar energy are also used for generating cheap electricity. Clear? हवा और शमसी तवानाई को भी we can utilize them for generating electricity. You are well aware of these things. Clear? Now switch towards question number 6. Clear? That is, what is the impact of technology on medicine? अब मेडिसिन पर टेक्नोलॉजी के क्या असरात हैं? बेनिफिट्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन हेल्थ साइंस. तिब्बी साइंस में टेक्नोलॉजी के नुमाया खसूसियात या बेनिफिट्स, फायदे. क्लियर? एडवांटेजेस, merits, we can call it merits as well. Modern electronic equipment, cure of fatal diseases has become possible, as well as life expectancy and diagnosing health problems. Life expectancy means कि जिंदगी की बका जो है तो वो क्या हो गई है, तवील हो गई है. Clear? Expectation to live. Then technology has a great role in health science industry. It has helped the modern man through various ways. They are the following. Modern electronic equipment have been invented which have improved the quality of treatment and health care. Quality मयार. अब ऐसी बहुत सारी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट्स ईजाद हुए हैं, मंजरियाम पर लाए गए हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट क्या हुआ है, द क्वालिटी ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट हैज बिकम इम्प्रूव्ड. तिब के मैदान में इलाज का मयार जो है तो वो क्या हुआ है, इम्प्रूव्ड हो चुका है. क्लियर? परफेक्ट टेंस, दिस वन इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. It has dug out the treatment of many fatal diseases. बहुत सारी मोहलिक बीमारियों की इसने इसकी मदद से उसके सिम्टम्स को नजर में या जहन में रखते हुए उसकी ट्रीटमेंट, उसकी इलाज जो है तो उसको पॉसिबल बनाया है. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट It has lengthened the life expectancy. अब the same point that I discussed in the mind map कि जिंदगी की बका को इसने लंबा कर दिया है, तवील कर दिया है, because there are so many fatal diseases which are now curable. बहुत सारी ऐसी मोहलिक बीमारियां हैं जो कि पहले they were not curable, उनका इलाज मुमकिन नहीं था, but these days because of modern technologies all this is possible. So point number 4, it has also enabled the doctors in diagnosing the health problems, and the most important thing, definitely treatment is the next step, but the first one step is to diagnose the health issue, to diagnose the main problem, to diagnose the health problems, clear? And that all is made possible because of technology, clear? So dear students, write it neat and clean in your notebook, in your neat notebook. Do its practice again and again and learn it by heart. So your today's homework is to learn all these questions that we discussed today. This is the end of our today's lecture. Please do all the homeworks that are shared with you through a WhatsApp group of your class, clear? Make yourself ready for the upcoming monthly test as well and other upcoming off school exams, clear? Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.